You guys have to check this out. Work from anywhere jobs that are always hiring, and best part, worldwide. Be sure to stick around to the end of the video because you don't want to miss the opportunities to start earning from home. Hey everyone, I'm Belle. Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Don't be a stranger. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. Be sure to stick to the end of the video where I show you a resume template that will help you get in front of recruiters and even bypass the application tracking system. All right guys, let's get into it. The first one is DoorDash. If you're someone who don't want to do data entry or be on the phones all day, this virtual position might be a good fit for you. So let's head over to careers.doordash.com where you can learn about more opportunities that they have. Currently, they're hiring for a lot of different roles. On their website, it says that DoorDash is open to flexible work, which means most of their positions are remote first. If you see that these are open to worldwide positions, there are positions open in Australia, Canada, Mexico, New Zealand. They're hiring in various different career areas. Like they're looking for salespeople, customer experience, IT people if you're more technical like myself. There are open positions nationwide in the United States and worldwide. All right, so let's move on over. So the next one we're gonna be talking about today. So the next one will be Google. As you guys know, we're using the Google platform right now because YouTube is a part of the Alphabet company, which consists of Google. So Google is hiring worldwide positions. I'm talking about every single corner of the earth. There are positions available for future Googleans. I don't know what they call themselves, but if you know what they call themselves, please let me know down below. So let's head over to careers.google.com. So once you arrive on Google's website, one of the very first things you can do is sort through their websites by skills and qualifications. So if you're someone that's looking for a customer success or customer service type role, you will type in customer service or customer success, and all of those roles will pop down. What kind of work do you want to do? Do you want to be in designs? Do you want to be in sales? Do you want to be in engineering? You can type that in right there. The locations, you drop down the locations, or you can show all remote eligible jobs, which is what we're looking for. And then right underneath there is skills and qualifications, which is the best part because you can let them know what kind of skills and qualifications that you have so that can tailor to the results that we get. Then we have degrees, associates, masters, pursuing a degree, bachelor's, PhD. If you click pursuing a degree, it will only show roles that require less experience. All right. Then you can go down to job type if you're looking for full-time, part-time, intern, and you can break it down by organization because you know Google is not just Google. It owns YouTube, it owns Fitbit. I didn't know that. So if we search by YouTube, the platform that we're currently on, we'll find various of different roles that you can apply. And as you guys know, the benefits at Google are unmatched. They have health and wellness benefits that keep Googlers, that's the names, that keeps Googlers healthy, financial well-being, a competitive compensation. If you or you know of anyone that currently works at Google or used to work at Google, one thing's for sure, they had pretty competitive compensation that kept people very happy. Flexibility and time off, family support and care, community and personal development, Google extras such as at-home fitness, well-being and cooking class, so many other things that Google provides for their Googlers. It's a really cool company to work for. So I will link the applications down below. The best of luck to you guys. So moving on to the next place. The next virtual work from home opportunity is Apple. You guys all know who Apple is. Apple is Apple. From iPhones to MacBooks to AirPods, we're very aware of who Apple is and what they stands for. So let's head over to apples.com/careers where you will find the careers homepage. The position that we will be looking at today is the Apple Support Advisor work from home. This position is someone who, it is a little bit on the phone, but they pay $18+ an hour. So you pretty much assist folks with different technical difficulties that they may have with their phones. I've called into Apple advisors before, and the best part, these positions are virtual and they're open worldwide. United States, China, Ireland, Singapore, Africa, India. They're worldwide, so that's fantastic for those who live and reside outside of the United States and still looking for some income. So be sure to go to the Apple's website, create a profile, and apply to the Apple Support Home Advisor position. All right, let's move on to the next one. So you guys all know this app. It's like one of the hottest apps of 2021, 2020, 2022, and billions of people are on it daily, and that is TikTok. TikTok right now is on a hiring spree. They are looking for a ton of people to hire. So if you're someone who's looking for a remote virtual role, TikTok might be where it's at. Best part, some of these positions do not require you to be on the phone all day or inputting data entry, and they start with decent salaries. So be sure to head over to careers.tiktok.com where you can find the roles. All right, so upon opening up their sites, it has great place to work. What year is that? I can't see, but they look like they won awards for great place to work, and they seem to have really good culture, especially for the Gen Zs and millennials of the world. So if you're someone who's cool, hip, and you like those kind of things, be sure to check out TikTok, because they're hiring in each and every department you can think of, from customer success, customer service, to sales, to operations, to corporate functions, to marketing, to design, to product, all of it. So be sure to check out careers.tiktok.com. They are actively recruiting worldwide right now, so you don't want to miss out on that. All right, so let's head over to jobs.dell.com. Dell is a Fortune 500 company. You guys all know Dell Technologies. You probably have some Dell item at your house right now, whether you use it or not. Similar to IBM and Microsoft, Dell is a mostly remote first company, and people at Dell are really happy. They have really good work-life balance. They have really good benefits and competitive wages that keep their people happy. So if you're someone who's looking for a more technical role where you have technical abilities, be sure to check out jobs.dell.com. They treat their people very well. And the best part is Dell has like a flexible work environment where you can work from anywhere around the world, and they're actively recruiting for everywhere. So if we head to their websites right now, we have jobs in the United States, we have jobs overseas, we have jobs in the UK, Australia, India, we have jobs in different parts of Asia. And recently in 2021, Dell won the Flex Job Top 100 Remote Work Companies to Watch and Learn. It's also a really good place to work for diversity and inclusion, whether you're a person of color, black woman, black man. This is a really good company to look into if you're looking for a place that's psychologically safe. All right, so let's move on. You guys all have heard of Airbnb, but if you head over to their career page at careers.airbnb.com, the first thing that you will see is live and work from anywhere. So Airbnb is a remote first company. You can live wherever and be able to work there. There are roles available at Airbnb, the actual company, and you yourself, wherever you may be, whether it's in Dubai or Austin, Texas, you can become a host and you can rent out your space and make money that way. So that's one way to work for Airbnb or work with Airbnb. Currently, there's hundreds of roles open in over 106 locations. So there's a very great possibility that your location or somewhere very close to where you may be staying right now around the world is available. So be sure to check out careers.airbnb.com where you can find roles that are currently hiring right now near you that are also virtual. So the next one we're going to talk about is Accenture. I don't know if I'm saying that right. I hope I am. Sure, for Accenture, you can go to accenture.com/careers. And there you will see the roles that are available. Accenture is a remote first company that is fully virtual. You can find roles in consulting, strategy, digital careers, technology careers, operations, digital engineering, and the likes. There's so much available on their websites, and I have heard really great things about Accenture, their work-life balance, so folks seem to be really happy there, in addition to competitive compensation that they pay people. They also have entry-level and internships, so if you're someone who feel like you are working through upskilling currently, you can still apply because they are looking for entry-level folks and folks who want to do internships. And also one thing that they displayed on their website readily was military and veterans. So if you're someone who identify as a protected veteran, please be sure to check out Accenture because they pride themselves on putting our vets first. So definitely give that a look. Okay, so moving on to our next one. We're doing pretty well, so we're getting to the back end of things, so I hope you guys are still with me, and that if you haven't already, like I said, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up for me. So we did Accenture, we did Airbnb, we did Dell, we did TikTok, we did Apple, Google, DoorDash. So the next one we're gonna do is GoTranscript. GoTranscript.com. A lot of you guys have heard that. It is somewhat of a data entry type position, but they're always hiring, and it's absolutely open to worldwide positions. So be sure to check them out. I will link all of their information down below. So it's 100% human generated services. So whether it's transcribing, translating, foreign subtitles, captions, etc., this is open to worldwide. Wherever you may be, you can find a role here. And my last one will be Live Ops. You guys all know who Live Ops is. Live Ops is always hiring. You get to work from home and the opportunities that fit your lifestyle. That's the first thing that they say on their career pages. So it is a phone-based type position, but you can choose what kind of phone-based you do. Whether it's tax support, inbound sales, customer service, insurance claims, insurance sales, healthcare, patient support, retail support, and etc. There's so much that you can do, and the best part, it is worldwide, and they're always hiring. So to close out, I wanted to share with you guys this very important tip. If you head over to the link down below, which is the harvard.edu link, is Harvard, the big fancy Ivy League school, has a resume and cover letter template that you can follow for any position that you may be interested in applying for. They give you awesome resume tips to create a strong resume, and action verbs that you can use for your resume, how to write an effective cover letter, and different samples of resumes, whether you are an experienced professional, entry level, or a student. So definitely be sure to give that a look. It's down below for you guys. This resume have helped me land my remote role, so this can be very helpful for you too. Be sure to check that resource out and let me know what you guys think about it. So that is all I have for you guys in this video. If you made it this far, thank you. I hope you found this resourceful for you and you're able to get something out of it. Let me know if you applied to some of the jobs we talked about. Until next time, y'all, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel down below and give this video a big thumbs up for me. See you in the next video.